Sean Farshi.
And I'm Dave Stribling. Welcome to Porsche Denver West.
Behind me is our entry in the 2026 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge.
This is a 2004 GT3 that we finished in Gulf Blue with Gulf Orange accents, and we have sorted this car out top to bottom.
So this GT3 was originally black, and we've actually had this car for the past 15 years at the dealership, and we've used it for basically every Porsche Club event, track event, driving event over the course of those years. Before this restoration started, the car was in very, very difficult shape. And so this was a massive job for us.
We could say it was time, yeah.
So this was a complete bare metal restoration.
And part of that restoration, after we got it down to bare metal, we decided what to do with it. And we brought in people from all different departments of our dealership, and we had collaboration together, ultimately landing on this Le Mans inspired paint scheme.
I think that the star of this whole build is the Gulf Blue paint job with the Gulf Orange accents to it. And this was meticulously done.
We have original GT3 wheels in Gulf Orange with hand-painted center caps, and the blue GT3 was hand-painted in Gulf Blue. The spoiler is Gulf Blue with Gulf Orange end caps, and the GT3 RS grille was finished in Gulf Orange.
Brand new 996 taillights, brand new 996 headlights, absolutely gorgeous. So we went all in on the interior of this car, a 911 Outlaw shifter with the 917 style wood knob. Fun fact, last three digits of this car's VIN are 917. One of my favorite highlights on the interior are the 996 European GT3 Sport bucket seats. We did the inserts in Spirit of Le Mans fabric, which blends perfectly with the Gulf Blue, Gulf Orange theme.
We had a full engine out restoration. The gearbox is 100% new. Welded all the coolant pipes, which is a pretty big failure point for GT3, so those have been repaired. The brakes are completely new. We refinished the calipers in Gulf Blue. Photon adjustable shocks all the way around with coilovers.
Overall, we've got a one of one. We call it the GT3 Colfax Edition because we're located here on historic Colfax. We've been here for over 40 years, and we're celebrating that with one of the coolest GT3s you'll ever see with the GT3 Colfax Edition.